AVENTOS HKi, our stay lift that is integrated in the cabinet side, will be included in our range. The fitting blends seamlessly into the furniture and is completely concealed. It is even possible to implement heavy front weights of up to 12 kilos with cabinet heights of up to 600 millimeters. This means that all customary front dimensions can be used with ease. To support industrial manufacturing, we will be offering an assembly device which makes it quick and easy to process the cabinet side. Insert the lift mechanism into the milled groove and attach from the front. The lift mechanism can be removed at any time. Alternatively, you can also integrate AVENTOS HKi in the inner side of cabinets and conceal with cover caps. As you can see, we are constantly developing our extensive AVENTOS range so that we can offer you the right lift system for every application and every need.